Hello everyone, Dale Charbot, LePage Team Realty. If you've ever had a dream of living in an older stone home, well, welcome to my latest listing at 744 Cty Rd 2. Built in the mid-1800s, professionally renovated to bring you all today's amenities, an addition put on the back for some extra living space. It's got a great yard, it's got a heated and wired workshop, and a St. Lawrence River view. If this piques your interest, let's have a look.
I like your wallpaper, a playful pattern of furs and beaks. Placed at pleasurable distances from one another, I'd like to place myself closer to you. Your living room is a showcase of grand millennial design. I could move in with you. Is it too soon to let you know how I feel when I'm drunk on your record collection? I better take myself home. I better take myself home. Don't wanna end up alone. Don't wanna end up alone. A painful pattern of bone and wing. Space at suspicious distances from one another. If I could lose myself inside of you. My living room is a display of perfect cascades aligned. I could fall for you. Am I too late to let you know how I feel when I'm stuck between the pop and classical section? I better take myself home. I better take myself home.
So there you have it, folks, 744 Cty Rd 2. It is a gem of a property. If this is of interest to you, by all means, give me a call. I'll give you a personal tour. If there's anything else in real estate I can help you with, call me as well. Thanks for taking a few minutes to watch this video. Dale Charbot, LePage Team Realty, your local realtor.